Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss visual level string format in Power BI. This feature is introduced in August 2024 Power BI release. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So you have to do two things. First, you have to upgrade your Power BI desktop if it is some older version. And second thing, I will show you, you have to go to the file and in option and setting, and from here option, click on options, and here you will see preview features, and come down, and here you will see visual level calculation. So you have to enable this one also. Okay, so it is already enabled on my Power BI desktop, so I'll click on cancel, and now I will show you the visual level formatting. So let me go to Power BI Visual Gallery, and I will add a column chart here. And in column chart, I will do two things actually. So in my data model, if you can see here, the cost column and the another column is a total sales. So I want to find out the profit. So I will write one measure here. So I'll say profit. So I'll use a sumx function. Sumx function and order table, comma, the total sales actually, minus cost. So this is the profit, total sales minus cost. Now from the data model, I will add a business segment. I want to know the profit on business segment wise, and on y-axis I will add profit. So now let me enable a data level. So from here I'll enable a data level, and I will set a format to value to decimal places. Now let me increase the size of the font also. Okay, so now you can see. Now what I want actually, I want a dollar here, dollar 66.64 millions. So how I have to do that? Now I'll select this visual, and I will go to the this formatting option, and in formatting option I'll click on journal, and here you will see new option, data format. So just you have to click on the data format, and you have to select the column profit, and here you have to write dollar hash hash dot 00. So now here you can see format dollar 66.64. Let me zoom in. So here you can easily format, because earlier it was not possible. If you wanted to do, you have to do at the major level or the column level. Now let me show you another format. So I will add a one more visual, column chart, and I'll bring it here. And here I have a customer count. So this, if you can see here, this is the distinct customer count, and I want business segment wise customer percentage. Okay, and the another is the total customer count. So here, if you can see, I have used all, so no filters will apply on this measure. So what I'm going to do, I will add one more measure here, new measure, and I will say customer percentage, and my measure name is customer percentage. customer percentage, and here I will say, so customer count divide by total customer count. Okay. Again, I will add a business segment on x axis, and on y axis I will add percentage customer, and let me enable a data level, and let me increase the size also. Now let me zoom in here from here. So now you can see here the percentage. So 0.92%. So basically it is a 92%. So now how I'll format at the visual level. So again, I will click on the journal, and I have to select this visual and click on the journal. And here again, you will see the for data format. And now I'll select a percentage. So here I want a 92.00%. So now in the format, I'll say #00%. So now you can see here 92.42%, 91.31%, and so on. So using this actually for visual level format string, you can easily format any numbers at visual level. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.